You can't be scoring a backyard try on patchy grass. Using my $25 Mitre 10 E-Voucher, I've got the gear to get my backyard game ready. Mowing the lawn's the best way to keep your weeds out, but sometimes these sneaky little buggers creep in. So we've got to get down here, we've got to get into them and get them out. There we go. Just like a new haircut, it's amazing what a good trim can do for your lawn. Nice and spongy. So regular fertilisation is very important for a healthy, thriving lawn. So after you mow, give it a good fertilise. And it's as easy as that. Job done. Purchase a specially marked case of VB. Then visit the website to find out what value Mitre 10 E-Voucher you have won.